Let's look at how to generate token-based access keys in NetSuite. Then enter those keys in Adaptive Insights for NetSuite data sources in Adaptive Integration. We'll enable token-based authentication, give that authentication access to a role, then assign this role to the user associated with integrating with Adaptive Insights. First, log in to NetSuite as an admin. Navigate to Setup, Company, Enable Features, then click Suite Cloud. Then scroll to Manage Authentication. Check Token-Based Authentication. Next, create a new custom role. Navigate to Setup, Users Roles, Manage Roles. Click New. Give the role the permissions needed for integrating with Adaptive Insights. Don't forget the permission, set up, log in using access tokens. Save the role. Now that this role is ready, we'll assign it to the user that manages data integration with Adaptive Insights. Navigate to Lists, Employees. Edit the user who manages the data integration. Click Access, Roles. Assign the role you just created. We'll make a new integration just for token-based authentication. Navigate to Setup, Integration, Manage Integrations, New. Enter a name. We suggest using a name like Adaptive Insights Integration to make it clear this is for integrating with Adaptive Insights. Check that State is enabled. Check Token-Based Authentication, and click Save. This creates the integration record you will use to create access tokens. Before doing anything else, copy the values into a secure location. Treat these as you would a password. You can't see these values again, so don't navigate away until you captured them. You can always create new ones. We'll now create access tokens for the NetSuite user that integrates with Adaptive Insights. Navigate to Setup, Users Roles, Access Tokens, and click New. Select the application name you created earlier. Select the user and role you created, then associate the Adaptive Insights integration record with it. NetSuite generates a response. Copy and paste the access token ID and the access token into the same secure location you made earlier. Don't navigate away before copying them. Log into Adaptive Insights as a user with permissions for the Data Designer. Navigate to Integration, Data Designer. Select a NetSuite data source. Notice the new button for Upgrade to NetSuite 2018.1. Click it. Click Create New Credential. Give the credential a name and paste in the keys you generated. This credential and any others you create can be reused across other NetSuite 2018.1 upgraded data sources. Your tables get analyzed for changes. You're shown what changes you might need to make. Click Upgrade. Click Import Structure to continue. Once the upgrade completes, your NetSuite data source is using your token-based authentication and will continue to function after NetSuite upgrades all of its customers to NetSuite 2018.1. The NetSuite credential you created for this data source is ready for use in others.